welcome back to another video. I've just printed off some stickers for my Instagram and YouTube. Well, they're not actual stickers, but yeah, I got my keys. They're not like actual stickers, I just printed them off. Let me just turn my brightness so I'll be able to see them a bit more. Yeah, so me and my mate are just going to install them now. So we're at my car. We're going to put them at the back with the Mad Motor sticker. So yeah, like I said, we're going to install those now. Hoping my mate's going to do it for me because my sticking is whack. Are you alright to do that?
Do what?
Stick them in. So I want one either side, yeah? So I want like, say one here.
Yeah.
Like, so it's visible.
Yeah.
So yeah, there.
Because I'll use these lines as
A guide, innit?
Yeah.
So if you hold that there, that's nice there. Or you level it where you think. Oh shit, the other one. We lost one, lads. We lost one. And I'm in the middle of the bloody road picking it up. Oh my god.
Well, actually,
let me put that in the
I was
boot.
about to say you can't do it there because the window wiper
Oh yeah.
is going to be in the way.
We'll figure that one out. So we're just going to install that, and I will be back when they are done. So on, yeah, so we're wrapping that now. As B17WJJ said, I'm going to be getting some stickers, proper stickers like the Mad Motors one here to put on. But yeah, we've got all that guy now. So yeah, that's that. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.